Hello, my wonderful friends. Welcome back to the LWS English Podcast. I am your host, Susan. I am so happy you are here with me today. Thank you for choosing to spend this precious time with me. This channel is your safe place. Here you can learn English with no pressure. You can go slowly. You can make mistakes. Everything is okay. I am here to guide you on this beautiful journey. Today, we have something very exciting. We will talk about the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book changed millions of lives, and today I will show you how to use these powerful ideas to become fluent in English in just 6 months. We will use our LWS method: listen, write, and speak. Before we start, please click subscribe and like. Join our learning family. It helps me so much. Thank you. Part 1. What are atomic habits? Let me explain what atomic habits are. The word atomic means very, very small, like an atom, the smallest piece of matter. So atomic habits are tiny habits, very small actions. James Clear teaches us that big changes come from small habits. You do not need to study English for 5 hours every day. You do not need to be perfect. You just need tiny habits that you repeat every single day. Think about this. If you improve just 1% every day, in 1 year you will be 37 times better. 1% seems so small, but when you do it every day, it becomes huge. This is the secret to fluency. Not giant efforts, not perfect study sessions, just tiny habits repeated daily. This is the Atomic Habits way. Part 2. The 4 Laws of Behavior Change. James Clear gives us 4 laws to build good habits. Let me show you how to use these laws for learning English. Law 1. Make it obvious. You need to see your English habit everywhere. Put your English book on your pillow. Put sticky notes with English words on your mirror. Change your phone to English. Make English impossible to ignore. When you see English everywhere, your brain remembers, I need to practice today. Make your English habit so obvious you cannot forget it. Law 2. Make it attractive. Learning must be fun. If English feels like punishment, you'll quit. So make it attractive. Watch English shows you love. Listen to English songs you enjoy. Read English books about topics you find interesting. Learn English words about your hobbies. When learning is attractive, you want to do it. You do not need to force yourself. You feel excited to practice. Law 3. Make it easy. Do not make English learning complicated. Make it so easy you cannot say no. Instead of saying, I will study grammar for 2 hours, say, I will learn 5 new words. Instead of saying, I will read a whole book, say, I will read 1 page. Start with something so easy that even on your worst day, you can do it. Easy habits stick. Difficult habits disappear. Law 4. Make it satisfying. Reward yourself after every practice. After you study English for 10 minutes, eat a small piece of chocolate. After you finish a lesson, watch your favorite show. Give your brain a reward. When something feels satisfying, your brain wants to do it again tomorrow. This creates a positive cycle. Practice, reward. Practice, reward. This is how habits become automatic. Part 3. The 2-minute rule. Here is one of the most powerful ideas from the book. James Clear calls it the 2-minute rule. Any new habit should take less than 2 minutes to start. Do not say, I will become fluent in English. That's too big and scary. Say, I will speak English for 2 minutes. That's easy. Anyone can do 2 minutes. The secret is this. Starting is the hardest part, but once you start for 2 minutes, you usually continue for longer. 2 minutes becomes 5 minutes. 5 becomes 10. 10 becomes 20. So make your English habit a 2-minute habit. I will listen to one English song. I will write 3 English sentences. I will speak about my day for 2 minutes. Small starts create big results. Part 4. Identity-based habits. This is my favorite part of the book. James Clear says, don't focus on goals, focus on identity. Do not say, my goal is to speak English fluently. That's a goal. Say, I am an English speaker. That's an identity. When you change your identity, everything changes. You are not trying to learn English. You are an English speaker who is improving every day. Every time you practice, you prove your new identity. You say, I am an English speaker, and English speakers practice every day. So I practice today. This is so powerful. Your actions follow your identity. When you believe you are an English speaker, speaking English becomes natural. Part 6. Habit stacking. Here's another brilliant technique from the book. It's called the habit stacking. You connect your new habit to an old habit you already do every day. The formula is simple. After I, current habit, I will, new habit. Examples for English learning. After I brush my teeth, I will speak 3 English sentences. After I drink my morning coffee, I will listen to an English podcast for 5 minutes. After I eat lunch, I will write 5 English words in my notebook. See, you stack the new habit on top of an old habit you already do. This makes the new habit automatic. You do not need to remember. It just happens naturally after your old habit. Part 6. The 6-month fluency plan. Now, let me show you how to combine everything into a 6-month plan. Month 1 and 2. Build your tiny habits. Practice English for 5 minutes every day. Make it obvious, attractive, easy, and satisfying. Use the habit stacking. Never miss 2 days in a row. Month 3 and 4. Increase slowly. Now practice 10 minutes every day. Add more variety. Listen, write, speak, read. Use the 2-minute rule to start each session. Focus on your identity. I am an English speaker. Months 5 and 6, you are now in the flow. Your habits are automatic. You practice 15 to 20 minutes daily without thinking. English feels natural. You understand more. You speak more confidently. After 6 months of Atomic Habits, you will be amazed at how much you improve. You will speak English confidently. You will understand easily. You will be fluent. My challenge, today, choose one atomic habit. Just one. Write it down. Make it so small you can't fail. Then do it today. Mark an X on your calendar. Start your chain. 3 requests before we finish. First, share this video with friends who want to learn English. Second, comment, what is your one atomic habit for English? Tell me. Third, will you commit to never breaking the chain for 30 days? Write, I commit. Thank you for being here. I believe in you. Small habits create big changes. Remember, listen, write, and speak. This is the LWS way. I am Susan. Have a beautiful day. Keep building, keep growing, keep shining. Bye-bye, my amazing friends.